Hey guys, so a lot of people have been commenting about B-roll and using photos and animation and transition. The video editor that I use does not allow me to use transition from like the word, the text block to video, and from video to text, the text block. So right there, I cannot do that. I'm unable to do that. Now, as far as B-roll, I don't know how to do B-roll. From my understanding, it's simple. From what people have told me, it's simple. But I'm not going to attempt to even try and doing B-roll, because it could be complicated. And if it's an epic fail, then that's one video that a lot of people are gonna dislike. So I'm gonna stick it with the way that I am doing it. But I still appreciate, the suggestions, the comments, the likes, everyone who has subscribed to my channel. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.